Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out my channel. I'll be having a look at quickly at WTI, following my analysis over the weekend. So what I was looking for was that compression we had on the $20 level. So we could see that we had the Bollinger Bands were reducing, shrinking, and we had that volatility reducing, and we approached that level, and it did successfully break out. That's happened on yesterday. Then we had that big move, very quick, moving from 20 to almost near 25, which was the start of the contract, 24.8. So we got almost there, and yes, that was a positive trade. So the plan for me was to enter long here, so that's what I did. I was expecting a bit more resistance on the 22 level, so I did exit long on 22 and entered short on that rejection on 22, but that short didn't work out, so I exited quickly and reversed to long to catch the last move up to 25. So I've exited that trade now and booked full profit, which was quite interesting for these just 2 days. It was a massive move, but you almost get used to this on with WTI at the moment, so very interesting to trade. Now what I'll be looking at now is some reversal, because we need to cool off indicators, so I don't think there's any major reversal on the price at the moment, but 25, it will be definitely hard to break. Be surprised if that can happen without some pullback. So we can see on the 1 hour some divergence here. From the top we had 24, then he moved further just to reach near 25, but the momentum is not following. So I think giving that configuration, and because it's also showing on the 30 minutes a bit more obvious here, I think this is a valid divergence in place for some pullback. The origin of the divergence will come to that, the low of that peak at the start of that move here, from 22 to somewhere 24. So we would retrace in theory all that move down to 22.5, which would be also where the roughly where the 20 MA is running for the hourly, so a bit higher. So I did open a short position at that point here, with a really tight stop loss just above 25. So you don't want to get caught in a massive move up. And yes, the objective will be to get to 22.5. Ideally, even some extension down to 21, but I think that would be pushing it a little bit because the momentum is quite bullish at the moment. But again, indicators are in the red, they are just too high at the moment. I need to cool off a bit before we can actually start again. So we look at the 4 hours. We may have some reversal candle as well showing here, and again with the same objective here. It would be 21 as an extension, but potentially 22.5 as a first exit for that short position. Following this, I'll be closing short quickly, not staying there in a short position, and until I get clear that reversal sign on a major time frame like 4 hours or daily, I will continue to buy the dips and buy alongside the moving average on the move up. The next target is 28 dollars, and of course above we got the 24 that will actually open the door for potential closure of that gap at 41. But obviously we're not there yet, a lot of work, and I'm not intending to keep positioned on WTI, because we know that this is the June contract and it will face the same issue at the end, and at some point the musical chair game will end, and don't want to get caught in the middle of this. So I'll be looking at shorting this market as when the bullish pressure will be gone, but this is not the time, I think. So yes, still looking at buying it until we reach exhaustion, either on 28, potentially 34, even crazy level at 40 closing that gap. So yes, look at this again this week, keep on trading it, play safe, and speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.